Hello, welcome to JJ Tech. Um, Today we are going to be building an online banking system with a very advanced landing page. A banking system, an online banking system that can actually accept deposits, that can transfers can be blocked, transfers can be can be like opened, deactivated and activated. Now we are going to be talking about those. We are going to be building one of those kind of banks today, online banking, and I'm going to be showing you how to build it. I'm going to be showing you how to use it. Yeah, so this is going to be the requirements we are going to be needing for this is your domain and your hosting account. For me, as you can see here, I already have one of those. Here. Yeah, your domain and your hosting account. That's what you're going to be needing for this particular to be able to get this particular online banking. Now you can get hosting accounts from Namecheap, GoDaddy, domains and all that from Namecheap and GoDaddy and the rest. And you can we also give those services out. We also provide those services. We buy domains. We buy hosting for people who can't actually go about it. Yeah, we give those services. So for this particular one, we are going to be going straight to the business of the day. We are going to be building an online bank that works, that is very active and it works. First of all, like I said, you need your hosting account from wherever you're getting them. If you are getting from Namecheap like I do, this is how your interface will look like when you log in your cPanel. This is how your interface will look like. Now we are going to be uploading a file into the public HTML. This is my public HTML. As you can see, it's empty here. So we are going to be uploading a file into this public HTML to be able to we are going to upload this file now, and then we are going to extract it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's uploading. For those that are new to this, when it's uploading like this, you have to let it upload to 100 as it should be. Then you have to let this blue color on this bar that is loading, you have to let it change to green. If you don't do that, your upload is not complete. So let's wait. It's loading really fast, so let's wait. Okay. Online banking that we are building here is not for any kind of illegal activities. It is not for any kind of bad activities. It is strictly for educational purpose, to learn how to build these things, to learn how to write the codes, to learn how to make the commands while you are writing the codes, to learn how to use the HTML as a whole. So please, this is a public disclaimer. This video is not made for any kind of illegal activities. This video is strictly for educational purpose. Thank you. So that's very good. Our bank has our script has entered, so the upload is done. what you have to do now is this is it. This is my public HTML. On your cPanel, especially if you just bought your cPanel, this will be the public HTML you are seeing. Now after you have gotten yours, you go directly into the public HTML. I'm using a subdomain for this, so it might confuse you a bit, but if you are building this for someone, or you are building this for in a new cPanel, you just have to go into your public HTML and press the upload button up here. If you didn't follow me in the first two steps, press the upload button up here, then you upload, and it is inside your public HTML right now. Now next thing we have to do is to extract this file. Okay, our file is extracted, so we go into the folder that was just extracted. Now here, when you open the file you just extracted, is this. It's a complete guide on how to edit, how to go about setting up this particular online banking script. Now let's take a look at it. Let's see what's inside. Let's take a quick look at it, and before we can go back to our video. So this is it. You see JJ Tech, you see extract, you see all the guides there, and it's also saying you can actually hire for customization. That's after you buy the scripts and maybe you're fine, you don't know what to do, you can hire. After going through this and you don't know what to do, you can still hire for customization. So that's that for that. So this is the main script inside the file we just extracted, so we have to extract this too. So let's do that. Let's extract. All right, load. All right, so this particular one has been extracted now, and this is it. So let's go into that. Let's select all. I'm going to be selecting all of this. I'm going to be moving it to our public HTML. In your own case, when you buy a new cPanel, where you are going to be, the option you are going to be seeing here is public HTML. That's the option you are going to be seeing here, public HTML. So you clear these two other places and you move it straight into your public HTML. Like I said before, if you are buying a new cPanel, what you are going to be seeing here is public HTML. Now move the files. Very good. Okay, very good. Now let's check what we have uploaded. Let's check what we have uploaded. Let's see what we have on the script right now before we continue. Okay, very good. Now this is what we have on the script right now. This is what we have on the script right now. I'm going to be showing you how to edit this banking. I'm going to be showing you how to change the logo if you want to. I'm going to be showing you how it operates, how it works. As you can see, we already have a very nice logo there, a very nice looking logo there right now. But we are still going to explore with this to see how it all works. As you can see, that's a very nice landing page. That's the online banking part. Now when you realize that when we clicked on this online banking, it took us to this page. Now that was because this is just the very first step that we have done. You have not we are not done with it. This is just a step. This is the very first step. We are not done with the old banking now, so we have to connect our database. This is what this is trying to say, and we have to connect our database to be able to access the online banking itself. So let's close that. and close this. We'll leave this part open. Okay, now the first step is done, uploading your script. The second step is setting up your database. Now let's look, for those that are new to this, again I will say, for setting up your database, you go to your cPanel. You can just type in this, my SQL at database wizard. That's where you're going to. Now let's look at this. Let's say our bank name is let's say our bank name is, okay, B Bank. Let's call our bank B Bank. Let's call our B Bank. Okay, that's B Bank database. That will be the name of our database. Okay, let's say next step. Now we're creating a database for the bank to connect it to the banking. Now this is the user. The name of bank is B Bank user. Okay, now comes here. This is where we have our password. Now this is very critical part of this all. Our password, we are not going to put making a password. We are going to be using the password generator. Now click on that. Let's generate any password we like. Okay, I choose to go with this, so I have to copy this. The importance of this is even stated here. Like, you have to click on this. I have copied this password in a safe place. I've copied this password in a safe place. Now you have to you click on use the password. You see that this place is yeah, it's all good. So you click on create user. Now you click on all privileges, go down and click next step. Okay, now another very important part, the database name and the user you just created, you have to copy it, because you are going to be using this information to connect your database. You have to copy it in the notepad that you just opened for this particular thing. So now let's go back to our file manager, where we have our banking system. So as you can see, this is everything on the banking system. Now let's go and connect the database. In this particular one, it is database, it's here on the include folder. Okay, now you can see config.php. Now let's open config.php. You can do this in different ways. You can choose to follow my steps, but I do it in different ways when I do this thing. So this is it. So this is the part for the user. Now you have to copy the user from here. Copy, then replace. Then you paste what you just copied there. Let's copy. Then you replace. Let's redo that. You copy this properly, then come here and replace it. Then come here for the password. you copy this, you come here, copy the password you copied here, and save. Now remember, name of our bank is BB Bank. This place of the bank name. So let's change our bank to BB Bank. Let's see, we have okay. Let's say we have an email for the okay. This is the site link. Let's copy the site link from here and place it here. Okay. See, you just replace that. So for this, let's say we have an info for this as an email, a web mail. We have it for this. So I've saved that. So now inside of this banking we have the database here. We have the SQL file inside here. So let's download it. Let's use it for you can see in the database folder, you see that we have database inside of it. So we have to download it. This database SQL. I have to download it. If you look down my screen, if you look below my screen, you see that it's downloading at the moment. Okay, let's do that again. Okay, let's say it's downloading at the moment, so I'm going to be using it. Okay, now how do we use what we just downloaded? Let's go to my PHP. This is what PHP my admin. Yeah. Let's wait for it to load. Okay. Remember what we just created. We created BB Bank database. This is. So when you enter into your PHP admin, you look for what you just created. You click on it to show you an empty space like this one, because you just created it and nothing is there yet. So right now what you do is you click on import. Now what are you importing inside there? What are you uploading inside here? It's the database that you just downloaded, the SQL file you just downloaded. Now this is it. So you come here and press go. Very good. As you can see, everything I just uploaded. How can you know? The admin, everything. This is a folder under the BB Bank database. So this is it. This is the users. Let's check on the admin. Admin is here. So right now, right here, I'm telling you on how to get your admin password. Now you go here, you click on the admin. You see the admin here. The admin password. You see it here. So right now, let's change that. Let's change the details here to the details that we want. Let's change details here to details that we want. So okay, for now, let's leave it right now. Let's leave it so we'll continue other things. So now, remember I said this wasn't connecting because you haven't connected the database, but now you have done everything that has to do with connecting the database. That is the second step. Now let's check if our online banking is up and running. Very good. Now you can see our online banking is up and running. This is the login.php, it's up. So very good. Now let's create an account. Okay, I would have preferred us to create an account. Okay, let's look at this. You can create an account from the front end here, from here. Create an account from here, then you finish it up in the admin. Now let's look at the admin. Let's look at what we have in the admin right now. So how do we access the admin of this? We'll come here. Copy the link, paste it, /admin. Very good. Now this is our admin panel. So set the password for the admin here, and everything that has to do with the admin. Let's set it up here. Now this is admin@mail.com. Let's use this just for the purpose of practice. Now let's edit. Let's click. You can click on edit here so that you can see the whole thing you're going to be editing. Now let's make this password admin 123. But you have to encrypt this particular password. Let's encrypt it. Okay, that's encrypt. Click on go. So you can see after encryption, this is what you find. This is what you see there. So let's try it one more time. Okay, admin@mail.com. Very good. Our admin is here. This is our admin dashboard. It is loading up. So immediately you upload your database on my PHP admin. You have to edit it and encrypt the password. Now very good. This is it. So let's create a user from here. I'm going to be typing very random things inside of this place. So please bear with me. Let's see. Create new account. Now the first name. Okay, let's make it let's make it Elliot. Let's make this Gideon. Okay, account balance, that is how much you want to be in your account. Let's make this to whatever is there. Now it's asking for a social security number. Now okay, let's just put in anything, any number. Now okay, for this, okay, the account type, savings account, let's put in the male gender, address, let's just put anything on the address. The currency USD. Let's see the account email. That's the email that I want to power this account. Let's use JJ Tech official. You can reach me directly through this email. Okay, let's put on the phone number here. So I'm going to be putting very random things here. State, okay. Which state are we going to put in here? Let's put something random. So for the codes, these are the codes that the bank is going to be needing for transfers. I'm going to show you how to disable the codes, how to activate and deactivate the code. So let's use 111 for all of this right here. That's the account pin. Manager name, you can put anything. Number, email, ID, any number, password, okay. And let's create this user account. So, okay. Approved. Very good. Very good. Now let's go to users. You know, when we were creating the accounts, we came here, then we came to create a new account. This time we want to see the account we just created. So what to do is we go to all users. Now view. Remember we just created Elion Gideon's account. Now we have to complete the registration. We have to upload a picture. Now let's upload a picture. Okay, I don't have any picture here, but I think I have a logo. Okay, just did that. Let's save that. So this is how you are going to be using this bank. Now the current status of this bank is active, as you can see here, written here. Now the billing code status is deactivated. Now what does this mean? The current status, active and old. There's active, there's old. Now that means when it's active, the bank can actually make transfers, but when it's on old, the bank can't make any transfers. So you can set that from here. Now what does this mean? The billing codes, that is the COT codes, the IMF code, do you want them to be active or do you want them to be deactivated? If you want, while making the transfer, those codes should be active, you just have to click on active, and you have to click, if you don't want them to be active, you have to click on deactivate. So that's it for the bank, and this is the part for changing the passwords. If you want to change the passwords and the pin for it, you just have to come here. So now let's go to let's log in. This is the admin part. Let's log in. Let's see the user part. Let's see how it is on the user part. Now let's go back to logging in. This is let's paste that, the password. Very good. Now this is let me save this. This is the pin page. That's the pin we created while creating the account. So what's the pin? Remember we use 111 for everything. 111. So yeah, so submit. Let's see the user dashboard. Let's see how it is. Very good. Now this is the picture we uploaded. It's showing, and this is the balance. It's there. Okay, this is the limit, the transfer limit. This is the login IP. Anywhere it is logged in from, it is there. Now You can view your transactions. This is like a statement, your recent transactions and so on. It's under here. It comes under here. Now this is let's take this one by one. This is your dashboard. That's where we are right now. The online deposits. So the online deposits, what does it actually mean? It's an online bank that can accept online deposits, that you can make deposit on a bank, then you see the deposits on your balance. Now this is the amount, but the thing is, you can only make this deposits with cryptocurrencies. If I select Bitcoin, a wallet appears here. I can copy the wallet, then make the payment to the wallet, upload the receipt here. Can you see? And deposit. So once that is done, you go to the admin. Then if you have received the deposit, you accept as you confirmed it, then it appears in the dashboard balance. Or if you haven't, you decline it. So that's for the deposits. The domestic transfer. Okay, let's come here. Let's come to the admin. Let's activate this billing code. Let's activate the billing code. Change. Yeah, let's make transfers right now. So I want to make transfer of 20,000 to that person, that bank, to okay, the account number. Okay, select the account type. The account you're sending to, let's say savings. Why are you transferring it? What's it made for? So make it here, put it here. So let's go and then click on transfer. Let's see what we have done. Okay, now it's asking for the pin. Say hello Gideon Elliott, validate your 6 OTP sent to your. Okay, let's check, let's see what we can get. Let's see if we got the now this is it. As you can see, this is the OTP that was sent. So we have to copy this OTP now, then take it here. Okay, I think there was a mistake. Yeah, there was a mistake while doing that. I have to log in again. Okay, let's make the transfer again. I think I mistakenly closed the that tab or something. Okay, let's make it again. Let's make it 25 this time. 25. I don't know what I'm putting there, but yeah, we have all this here already. We have all this here already. So savings, transfer. So let's go and check for the OTP code. I think there'll be a new one right now, so let's refresh this. Okay, Okay, let's copy this for 25 right now. Let's submit it. Transaction is processing. Okay, contacting, enter approval code, please wait while redirecting. Okay, so let's wait, let's see what we have. Oh, very good. Now it does. Okay, let's see, print statement. Let's see what we have there too. Okay, that's the receipt of the bank that you can send to someone that, okay, look at, I've sent your money. That is it, the receipt. So let's cancel that, or let's zoom in so that you see what we have there. So cancel that and go to the dashboard. So this is it. It has like, it's left the bank already, so it's, I don't want to use this word, that's gone. Utilo, that's gone. So that's that for the domestic transfer. The wire transfer is a little bit different. So the wire transfer is the one you need all those plenty codes. So let's do it again for 40 beneficiary account. Okay, let's use this format details. Okay, let's type in random things. Okay, select the country. This time you have to select country because it's an international transfer. You have to like select the country for it. Okay, let's use that Swift code. That's for the bank, so let's put random things there on the Swift code. Routing number, let's put random things for the routing numbers. Account type, let's put savings. Now fund description. Okay, let's go. COT code, remember. Okay, say tax code. Okay, now there's also an OTP that was sent. Let's check for it. There's a new one. Should I submit? Very good. Very good. So let's check. Also left. It has left the balance, like it has been deducted from the balance. So I think those are the main things, as you can see. Now, if the bank, for instance, has an issue, they can contact the account manager. That's why it asks for those things when you were trying to register for it. the virtual card, you can see it here. This is the virtual card. You can see the name on it, numbers and so on. If you want to generate the card, you have to click here to and submit to generate the card. So settings, you can click in here, change some things, profile your account, update your profile, update your account, something like that. So okay, as you can see the back, it also has a security code. All right, so now let's do some editing in the bank. How to edit some very few parts of the bank. I've just showed you how to use the bank. Okay, let's check on what to do when the bank is deactivated, the account is deactivated or on hold. Let's also put this one deactivate. Let's see. Okay, let's make it transfer again. Domestic transfer, let's do that. Warning, account on hold, contact support. So when you click on contact support, as you can see, it takes you to a mail, takes you straight to the mail, on the contact support. Yes, and takes you straight to your mail so that you can contact support. Or this place it's a live chat. You can just click on live chat. So this is what it does when it is on hold. You can't make a transfer, you can't do anything. Let's check on wire transfer. The same thing. So this is very beautiful, this is very powerful online banking script. Yeah, so let's do a very few editing. Like I said, the logo, changing the logo, maybe changing the words, some of the words there to BB Bank, because that's the name of our imaginary bank right now. That's the name of our bank. Now this is where we have been working. So let's check the index HTML. For instance, I don't know the name you'll be using to buy your domain, but any name that was given to you on the script, you have to change it. For instance, what's the name on this bank? I think, okay, let's check for any name on this bank. Let's see. Okay, let's go here, let's check some things. All right, okay, there are not a lot of words here, so let's just go straight to change the banking. But if there's anything, let's to change the logo. But if there's anything here you don't like and you want to change, you can just come here, copy it, go to the index.html, press Ctrl F, that's fine, then paste it there. You see it. Then what you can do is that you can just choose to change it, clear this one out and change it. For instance, let's write some lorem into here. Okay, you can say, let's just write something random. Now let's save that. Let's reload this. This is everything you just wrote here. This is it. So let's go back. Let's undo that very edit that I've just done. Yeah, and save it back. So come here. This is everything. It'll appear back. So that's it for the editing. But let's look at the logo. Let's edit the logo, because I think the logo is one of the most important things you have to edit while creating an online bank. So let's do that. first of all, you click on the logo itself, then go to copy image address, open a new tab, paste it. Now, according to what you are seeing here, let me explain this to beginners. What is trying to say that it's inside a public HTML, inside the folder that is named font. Inside that folder, you find another folder called img. Then inside there, you find the logo favicon.php. Now you have to copy this favicon. Okay. Let me design a logo, or take some logos from my gallery. So let's say this is what was designed for the bank. Now, after you have designed whatever software you designed from, the name might be like this. So what you have to do is you have to come here, copy favicon, like I said before, copy favicon, and change this to favicon.png. Now the next step is we have to go into now, like I said, is what I was trying to explain, that it's inside the HTML a folder called font, then you see another folder called img, then see favicon.png. So let's go there. Let's see how we can trace this. So let's look at font. This is font. Then we see another folder, img. Then inside there we see favicon. So I think this is favicon. So how do you want to change it? So what I'm basically doing is replacing. I don't know if you get. So now what you have uploaded, what you have designed, you have to upload it now. You click on upload, then you click on select, then you trace whatsoever you're putting there. This is it, favicon.png. Okay, yes, you have to replace it. So it's done. Let's see what we have. Yeah, now this design, I designed it with the color code of the font page, so that we can be able to get matching things. Now if you see this color, it's the same color with this. If you see this one, it's the same color with all of this. So you have to get something that's matching, as you can see it there, as you can see it here. So I have to get something that's matching to the bank. So that's what we have here right now. So for instance, also let's come here, let's change some things. You want to change, because if you notice the OTP that are being sent, there are some things like dirty script written on it. Now for you to change, okay, these are the major things you have to change. The favicon.png, you can't change that because that's the logo, that's the source of the logo. Now this online whatsoever, you have to change it to something else, the thing you want. Then you have to change this ones too. Also you can also access some users here from here and check them from here. Now this is the only user I have created right here, so you can check everything from here. Yeah, so that's that for the PHP my admin. Now a wrap up of everything I've said. This is a powerful online banking, as you can see. You can make transfers, you can activate transfers and also deactivate transfers. You can deposit in this bank with BTC, or let's say cryptocurrency. You can do deposits on the bank with cryptocurrency. The bank prints receipts, as you have seen. It prints receipts. It has a live chat. it also has a mail that you can, like a support mail when the bank is deactivated. So the bank is powerful, and there are some other things we didn't touch in the bank, but these are the major things that I just want to show you that you can do with this bank. This bank, we are not the scripts, we are not going to be placing the scripts outside publicly. We are not going to be placing it publicly. If you want this script, you are going to contact me, not with any number on the comment section. Don't contact any number on the comment section. Don't contact any number you see in the comment section, but you can contact my number that is in the description of this video. Don't contact any number you see in the comments. Don't contact any email you see in the comment section. Don't contact any number you see in the comment section. You can contact me through the details in the description of this video. My email is jjtechofficial@gmail.com. It's under the description of this video. My number is under the description of this video. You can contact me for this script. You can contact me for different kind of scripts. When you come to me, you ask me if I have it, then I'll let you know if I have it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, do subscribe, comment, please, so that other people can see this video, so that you can help this channel grow. If you know this video has helped you, please subscribe, like, comment, and continue watching out for our next videos. We drop a lot of good content here. Thank you very much. Thank you.